morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl in the D. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's a vlog. I have this terrible flu. It's been a week now, and please don't mind my voice if it sounds a bit irritating or hoarse. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. It's a Saturday. I just got cute. Like, I've been in such a foul mood the whole week, so I just decided to look cute today and do something new that I haven't done, actually something that I've been meaning to do. So on the agenda for today, I'm going to the Everrad Art Gallery. It's something that I wanted to do last year on my birthday, but I didn't get a chance, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go to a cute coffee shop after that, just for vibes, just to feel better and all of that, because I've just been going through a lot. I've just been, I've been sick, I've been in just a foul mood, so I just decided to lift my mood up and do something that I've always wanted to do, and something cute as well. I'm looking so cute, got my hair done, got my hair done, and I love my outfit. I'll show you guys before I leave or when I leave, I don't know. Oh, and also I'm gonna be using the train for the first time. I am so embarrassed. Okay, my arm. I'm so embarrassed that I've been in Gauteng for more than 5 years, but I've never used the train. What is that? I am so embarrassed, but that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna catch a taxi right now and then catch my train to Rosebank. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Oh my god, so this is just going to be like a spend the day with me, and yeah, looking cute. So before we leave, I want to quickly show you guys my bag. Guys, if you guys haven't watched the video of the unboxing, please do watch it. This bag is giving classy. I received this bag from a Chinese-based company, and I love it so much. I just had to show you guys. Guys, ever since this year started, I've just been getting so many packages. I love it for me. I love it so much. I can't believe that companies are really liking my video to approach me. It's so amazing that this is actually finally happening in my life. And also, one thing that has been keeping me in my foul mood is one package that I've been really waiting for. I am so excited, but Aramex has been doing me dirty. I've been waiting for my package for almost 2 months now. It arrived in South Africa on the 7th of Feb, and till now I haven't received it. And today is the 10th, I don't know, 10th of March, and I haven't received my package. I'm just so annoyed because that package, darling, that package, let me not even say anything anymore. Let me not say, because us black people, we don't want to say things because you might just jinx it. But yeah, that package, guys, I am so excited about that package. Let me give you guys a hint. It's a collaboration with a brand that I can't say it's really well known, but it's well known. Yeah, it's a collaboration. That's all you guys have to know for now until I upload the video. Talking about packages, I also received these babies from African Extras. This is from their new range that they're trying out. So they just popped me an email saying we would like you to use our product and tell us how you feel about them after a specific time. So I'm gonna be trying this out. My skin has actually been behaving for the past month or two, so I really don't know if it's a good idea to try something new since my skin has been behaving. But I'll try them out, and if it doesn't do well with my skin, I'll just stop, because I don't want to mess up my glow. And I also went to Signature and got some new perfumes. These smell really nice.
started working to it. How many minutes?
That literally took like 2 minutes. I don't want to lie. That was like 2 minutes. Wow. Anyway, we in Rosebank. I just got here and it's so beautiful. Like, I am in such a good mood all of a sudden. But it's so beautiful here, and what I love the most is that it's not full, so I can take my videos without anyone, like without worrying about anyone looking at me. But yeah, I'm just chilling here in the sun because I was taking some pictures, but I'm about to leave now and go to the other side. This place is so beautiful. If you're in Joburg, I would advise that you come check it out. It's breathtaking, it's therapeutic in a way. But anyway guys, we're here. Yeah, I'm hungry, but content is life. So let me go because I'm sweating right now. I honestly wish I was here with someone so they could take me pictures. Actually no, I wish I was here with my boyfriend because he is the one who knows how to take me pictures, but I don't think so. Only when he wants to. But anyway, I'm done with the art gallery. I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and then yeah, we'll call it a day. This was on my bucket list, so home a couple of hours ago. I just put on this mask, the one that I showed you guys in the morning, and yeah, I don't know, all of a sudden I just feel sick, like my nose is blocked and my eyes are getting really irritated. But I think with my eyes, I think it's because of the makeup and the micellar water that I was using right now, because they just got irritated. But anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today was really cute, yeah. It was really cute. I really had a good time. Yeah, I really wanted to vlog, but I didn't have much to do, so let me just close off this vlog because I really don't know what I'm doing anymore. But yeah, thank you so much guys if you made it this far. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I'll be posting a collab soon, so please do guys, please guys, I would really appreciate your support on this one. Like, I really want you to do well, because you know, like, it's my first ever like proper collaboration. Not that the other ones are not proper but I feel like this one is the first, like, you know, like a stepping stone. This feels like it. So I would really appreciate your engagement on the upcoming video, your support, your, you know, sharing, and yeah, just showing support. It's really like, it's really, yeah, it will really mean a lot to me. Hey, English is running away. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. Let me wash this mask off, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.